The healthcare sector is hitting fresh highs today. And Rob Sechan, you have some new moves in the space. You sold Bristol Myers and you bought more of the Abbvie. Why that particular move?
Well, easy to trim things that are down and not working. There's no tax consequences to clients there. There's only so much pain somebody can handle with a value trap, I guess, at least in the short run. And that could change, obviously. It's not an indictment on their business. But Abbvie's an interesting one because it's a diverse platform of autoimmune drugs. They have a wonderful pipeline focused on really serious diseases. The valuation is attractive. It is best-in-class profitability among everything. Trades at a 15 times PE. Their operating margins are 49%, free cash flow margins 40%, and very low debt with a almost 4% dividend yield. It seems to be a great business within this space.
Jason, you're nodding your head because you also own Abbvie.
Yes, Rob, it's good to see you there.
I added. I've been there.
Good. And to Rob's point, I mean, diversified pipeline, Rinvoq, Skyrizi are big players. Obviously, there was some concern around the biosimilar with Humira, and they've kind of diversified away from that. So I think there's a lot of momentum here. The stock's up 9%. And I really like the play that they did earlier this year with the Celsius, which is the Celsius buy, which increases their exposure to inflammatory disease. So I like this play.
All right, so sticking with healthcare in that trade, United Health. Those shares are now higher after beating a better-than-expected earnings report. This is good. The overhang this morning, which led to some pre-market losses and which is reverse course now, was the concern over the lingering effects of the Change Healthcare unit's cyber attack earlier on. This is now seemingly in the rearview mirror, at least from some investors' standpoint. Jim, I'll go to you on this. You also own UNH. Do you still like it here? If so, why? If not, why would you be a little cautious on it?
I do like it. It's up big. You know, when you see a move like this, it's likely to continue. There is one overhang besides the cyber attack, though, which is that Medicare reimbursements for next year and beyond are going to be curtailed. And I think we can all agree that the government really has health care in its sights as far as trying to provide the consumer with relief. The offset of that is United Healthcare is the 800-pound gorilla in the space. They control pricing. They control costs. If you're a United Healthcare user like me, you don't get much in terms of claims being honored. That's how they control costs. But as a shareholder, look, they reaffirmed guidance, even though Medicare reimbursements are going down. I'm very comfortable holding the shares. Well, when I say very comfortable, still need to keep an eye on what the government's going to be doing going forward.
And Jim, that has all manifested itself. We had plus 30% expectations going into the year. The bar has been lowered to plus 13%, kind of forward. Easier to jump over. It's not always where you are, it's where you are relative to expectations. And so I think that's been a big overhang. We own a lot of names in this space, and I think that could get lifted just based on where earnings expectations are.
Okay, we have a couple of big companies at the very least reporting earnings over the course of this coming week. Wednesday before the bell, Johnson & Johnson is a name that we're going to be focused on, Dow component and everything. Novartis is one also Thursday before the bell. Amy, you own Novartis.
Yep.
Why, and are you still going to hold it?
We're holding it. A lot of the easy money's been made. It's been a really good stock over the past couple of years, up 10% year to date, but 35% over the past 2 years. A lot of cost cutting, streamlining their pipeline. We think it's a good executor. We like it, but we do think a lot of the easy money's been made, and I'm not expecting the quarter to be really a needle mover in any way.
All right, so there's healthcare in a nutshell right there.